welcome to the Spiritual Foundation channel. I'm your host, Brother T L Juvet, and please, if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, what are you waiting for? Just hit the subscription button and you continue getting these beautiful videos. And not only that, please also hit the share button so that many more people can get exposure to the things that we share on this channel. That said, I was going through a couple of comments on my Facebook page, and I saw one of those comments out there. Someone was asking how can they get exposure to gold. Okay, now contrary to what a lot of people think, the wealth transfer is not just going to involve the cryptocurrency space. Okay, I can vouch for what the Lord has said to me, one, and that is going to involve cryptocurrency, particularly coins like Ethereum and XRP. It is also going to involve the NFT space, and those are the things that I've heard. But far from that, I know of sound prophets, okay, who can pinpoint a pin in the middle of an ocean with their gifting. And they've also spoken about different areas, particularly someone like Prophet Ubed Angel. You can check on him, okay? He's somebody that, anyway, his works do speak louder than you know him. And he has spoken about other things like precious metals and the Metaverse, okay? So it is very important that we know this. The Metaverse, the precious metals like gold and silver are also a major part of the wealth transfer. And some people, for some reason, okay, that might be the best option for them. They want to get into that. And I also thought that I should do a little bit of research and share a little bit on that. So different economies in the world present different situations. For example, in the Western world, it's easy to invest in something like, get exposure to something like gold, because you can easily get stocks of companies that deal with gold, or ETFs that cover gold, or maybe stocks of companies that do mine gold, or you can easily get gold bullion, silver bullions, and all of that. But in the context of our society, particularly our country, it's a little bit difficult. One will need a lot of money to invest in gold, and secondly, the accessibility is not really that easy. Now, apart from that, I was doing a little bit of research and I came across a cryptocurrency which is backed by gold. Okay, and it's by the name Paxos. That's it, the ticker symbol PAXG. Now, whether they do have a version of the currency that covers silver, I do not know. I tried to check, but I didn't seem to find any concrete information on that. And that's it. But I think there will be some out there. So if you know of anyone, please don't forget to leave that in the comment section. I'll be dropping by to check on it, so that I can bring it for our Christian brothers, particularly to also know about that. And if it's their area of preference, they can move there, or if they just want to diversify their investments, they can easily do that. So the Paxos cryptocurrency is a cryptocurrency that is owned by the trust company by name Paxos Trust Company. It is backed 100% by gold. In fact, it is a stable coin because of the fact that it's backed by gold, and one token of it is equivalent to 1 troy ounce of gold, which is about 31 grams of gold. Buying the cryptocurrency, you can access it through crypto exchanges like Binance, Kraken, or Gemini. And what makes it really authentic is the fact that it is registered with the New York State Department of Financial Services, and they also have in contract auditing firms which audit their holdings every month to make sure that the amount of cryptocurrency tokens that are issued out is actually equivalent to the amount of gold reserve that they do have, most of which is held in vaults all over the world, particularly things vaults like brick. That is it. If you want to get exposure to gold and you are in this area of the world, or perhaps you could still be in the US and you want something which is going to be easy for you, then you can get you can buy into Paxos. But the disadvantage with that is that, truth be told, whatever you don't hold That's the whole concept of cryptocurrencies. You hold the asset by yourself. You have the ability to hold the asset by yourself. But in this case, yes, it is 100% backed by gold, but that gold is not held by you. And you want to trust yourself better than any other person in this world, because, man, things are crazy. Systems are crazy. And you can easily get things like confiscations and so on and blah, 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 and so on and so forth. Nevertheless, that's just what I found out on how one can get exposure to gold. Okay, and I'm going to be looking for that which concerns silver, simply because based on what Prophet Goldbacked Angel said and many other prophets are saying, silver is going to do far better than gold. Gold is going to do well, but most importantly, silver is going to dwarf gold based on what they said. So that's going to be it, and I just thought I should bring that word. There are so many other sectors, okay? I don't know all of them. I don't claim to know all of them, and I'm not interested in knowing all of it. I just want to know that which the Lord wants me to know, and that's fine. The other ones that I go to check information about is that I can bring it out to someone who is in the community, who is interested in that space. You have other things like there are certain stocks that are really going to do well from what I get. I don't want to call any particular one because I don't want you pointing the finger at me on that, okay? I'm liable for what I say. I'm not liable for what someone else is saying. There are also spaces like the Metaverse, as I said, and you want to look out on that too, and so on and so forth. So, guys, please, if there is any other space which is involved in the wealth transfer, do leave that in the comment section. Particularly anything that has to do with one easily having exposure, safe exposure to silver. Please leave that in the comment section, and I'm going to be reading that. God bless you. See you next time. Please don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to hit that share button, okay? And to also hit the like button. It helps us a lot with the algorithms of YouTube. God bless you. See you next time. Bye-bye.